Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Zonal Informatics Olympiads 2019 second question. And yesterday we solved 2019's first question, unfiltered and filtered. Do check it out if you want to know how to solve it. And I've taken this question paper from Code Chef's website. You can find it here. We're going to check the answer later, right? Yeah, let's get into it. Yep, today we are going to solve second problem. Let me zoom in. Yes, that's it. Yeah, you have developed an artificial amoeba and you can control exactly how it divides. Each individual amoeba can be instructed to divide into A, B or C amoebas. That is, if you instruct an amoeba to divide into A, this amoeba will disappear and a different new amoeba will appear. You start out with K amoeba initially and now you want to give them instructions such that at the end you have exactly an amoeba left. Giving an instruction is a costly affair because it requires you to produce some biochemicals, and so you want to give as few instructions as possible. Find and write the minimum number of instructions that you should give to end up with exactly n amoebas. If it cannot be done, write -1 instead. Note that each instruction is given to a single amoeba and not all of them. For example, suppose K equals to 1, A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 3, N equals to 4. Then you can take the single amoeba, instruct it to divide it into 2 amoebas. Now there are 2 amoebas, then take one of these amoeba and instruct it to divide into C, 3 amoebas. So now you have total of 4 amoebas, which is what we want, and we used 2 instructions. You can check that you can't get 4 amoebas with fewer than 2 instructions, and hence 2 is minimum, and so the answer is 2. And we are given sub questions where K equals to 23, 7, B equals to 12, C equals to 16, N equals to 4, and this is the first question that we are going to solve, right? So let's understand this. So we given K amoebas initially, and we have 3 cases, A, B and C. A, B and C are also given. You can choose each individual amoeba and tell them to divide in such a manner that that they form the letters, the number of letters amoeba -1, because this individual amoeba will be destroyed. Yeah, that's the main thing, and we have to do it in such a way that the number of operations are the least, and and the final answer is n equals to 114 or whatever it is, for n equals to 76 and so on, like that, right? So that's the basic thing. Let me see if there's anything else. Yeah, that's it. So this is a lengthy one, I guess. Okay, let me go for a whiteboard. First is K equals to 23, and let me write this with blue pen. A equals to 23, A equals to 7, B equals to 12, and C equals to 16, N equals to 114. So right off what we can do is make A, B and C their respective values but minus 1 from them. So A equals to 6, B equals to 11 and C equals to 15. Why did we do this? Because as we know, after an operation, that individual amoeba itself gets destroyed. So instead of calculating minus 1 for each of them, from start we can do this, right? We can subtract 1 from each of the operation, right? Now what we have to achieve is, we have to do it in such a way that we achieve n equals to 114 and with the least possible number of operations, right? Yeah. K equals to 23, right? Each individual amoeba. What we can do is, we can write 114 in as a sum of these numbers in some way, right? So if we take 15 into 5 is 75, 75 plus 30, 105, right? 105, which is 15 into 7, right? You have to take 7 bacteria from this to get 105 bacteria at total and the remaining bacteria. If we take 7 from this, we will get 23 minus 7, which is 16. 105 plus 16 is we are going over this number, right? So this is not possible. One second please. Yeah. So 105 is not possible, right? So we can do something else. Let's say we take the 105 plus we need 9 for 114, right? But we don't have a 9. So what we can do is, we take not 105 but 105 minus 15, which is 90. So we take 90, 90, then we need 114, for which we need 24, right? Now 24 is we can write 6 times A, and this is 6 times C, right? Yeah, that's 6 times C. So is that the minimum number of possible operations? Because we need the least number of possible operations. Let me check if we get anything else. We can get 75 and 14 minus 75 is 14, 9, 39. 39 is again not possible. Take 60. 114 minus 60 is 54. Is 54 possible? 6 into 9. But 6 into 9, right? 6 into 9 and 15 into 4, which is 13. But this is 12, so this is the least. Or what we can do is 110 plus 4, but again we don't have 4, that's not possible. or we can do 99, 114 minus 99, which will be 15, right? Yeah, this is yeah. Maybe this might be 1, this will be 9, and this will be 1, which is 10. Yeah, which is less than 12. So we can use this. We still have to check if there is any other possible combination, because if there is, our initial assumption will be wrong, right? We can check for 50 into 105. Yep, that's not possible. I think this is the least. Yeah, as far as I know, this is the least for now. So what do we get from this? So we take 9 of these. Oh yeah, we are severely wrong, because in this assumption we are taking only 9 bacteria. So we will have 12 remaining, and we are also taking 1 for 15. So we will only have 11 remaining at the end, and we will have already 114. So 114 plus 11, we are already taking 11, right? Yeah. So we'll end up with 125, which is not our required result. So since we are ending up with 11, why don't we subtract? Why don't we take 88? If we take 88, we'll end up with 12. 88 plus 15 is, what is this? 3 plus 1 or 3. But we are ending up with 12. So this will again be 105, and we need only 114. We have to think of another way. See, there's probably a better way for this. Maybe we can do a formula, I guess, right? We can go for a formula, but again that will be a lengthy process. Let me see how much time. It's already 13 minutes. We only have 30 minutes left for version 3. We can derive a formula, but I think that's going to be tougher. Or we can go with lower values first, and then go for higher values, and then go for biggest value. Right? I think that's a better approach, because higher values are again a lot more difficult unless you know the formula or the trick, right? So we'll go with B, right? K equals to 9, A equals to 7, B equals to 15, C equals to 16, and the final result should be N equals to 76, right? Yeah. So we have 9 bacteria initially, and we have to do it in such a way that we get 76 as final result. So 64 plus 7, is that possible? 64 plus 7 is not possible. 64 plus 15 is not possible. 60 plus 76, yeah. 60, how much is 60? That is 4, 5. We'll have remaining 6. What I'm thinking is, we have to do it in such a manner that A into number of bacteria you are taking from A for A from K. So that will be, let's say, n of A plus B into n of B, that is the number of bacteria you are taking from K to make the what do you call this into n, yeah, C is n of C plus what we are doing is subtracting n of A, n of B and n of C from K minus n of A plus n of B plus n of C. Now since we have not subtracted this yet, what we can do is we can also add that. So how many bacteria did we use for this, right? That's n of A. So I think it's 2 times of n of A, n of B, n of C, because let's see, yeah, I think I missed something, because a single amoeba will be instructed to divide into 2. Now there will be 2 amoeba. How will there be 2? Because you have to subtract 1, right? Is that not possible? Let me see again. You start out with k amoeba initially and you want to give them instructions such that at the end you have exactly an amoeba left. Given instruction is a costly affair because it requires you to produce so and so. Find and write the minimum number of amoebas. If it cannot be done, write -1 instead. Okay. And if you instruct an amoeba into A, the amoeba will disappear and A different new amoebas will appear. Oh, got it. What we were assuming is right. N of A. I think it's 2 of n of A because n of A will also disappear, right? Yeah, that's 2 of n of A, I guess. And we have to do it in such a way that n of A plus n of B plus n of C is minimum. This is equals to n. So let's see. N of A times 7 plus n of B times 15 plus n of C times 16 plus K minus 2 times of n of A plus n of B plus n of C equals to 76. You can see right. So I think you have to multiply A, B and C, any 2 of A, B and C, A, B and C. You have to take any 2, let's say A and B, such that when you multiply the actual result, which is n, minus your multiplication result, A into B, some n of A into n of B, something like that, will be a multiple of n of C, n of C. So that's the way. So we have to think of a multiplication which is less than 76, but also that what do you call, we are getting 76, right? So obviously b into 4 plus c into 1 is equals to 76, but that's not possible because we have to get a number less than this such that it is a multiple of 7, right? Also that n of a plus n of b must be least, right? For it to be least, automatically you have to multiply with these two first, the largest values first, and then add, the remaining must be added with n of a, right? We can see, we can write b into 3 plus c into 1, which is b into 3 is 45, 45 plus 16 is 51. Now 76 minus 51 is 25. Again, that's not good. 25 is not a multiple of 7, right? That's it. If we add 16 to this, how much do we get? 7 and what is this? 67. 3 plus 4. Yeah. So b into 3 plus c into 1, c into 2 plus a into 1 equals to 67. How many did we use? K is 900, 3, 2, 1, we use 6. 6. That's not possible. 67. I think our formula is wrong because why are we adding it 2 times? Because if we multiply this with 7, already that will disappear, right? So, right, because here if you instruct 1 to divide into 3, you are getting 2, right? You are doing minus 1. I think that's it. Let's see. Yeah, or we can use our previous approach itself because this is becoming very complicated. What we'll do is we'll take erase all this. Yeah, we will take a equals to 6 because after multiplication that one amoeba will get destroyed. So we'll take a equals to 6, b equals to 14 and c equals to 15, k equals to 9, n equals to 76. Now we can do a formula without subtracting anything else. So that will be n of a into a plus n of b into b plus n of c into c plus k minus n of a plus n of b plus n of c, that should be equal to 76, right? Right. So this is the thing, and our assumption that it should be a multiple of if you divide two, if you multiply two things and you subtract it from n, you get a number, and that should be a multiple of a. That is also wrong because we still have k and this thing, right? since the instruction should be least, n of a plus n of b plus n of c should be least. Alright. Yeah. So 76 can be written as 15 into 5, 15 into 5 plus this is 75, sorry, 15 into 4 plus 6 into 2, that will be, what will this, 6 into 2 is 12, right? And n of a plus n of c plus n of b is 6, so k minus 6 will be 3, right? Yeah, 9 minus 6 is 3. Now this approximately equal to 70, right? Now this is 60, 72 plus 3 is 75. We are close to it, but we are not at 76. So this is probably not the answer. This is one thing, right? Let's check out another case. 76 is 14 into 5 plus 6, but however we still have k remaining, right? That's not a thing. So 14 into 4 is 14 into 4, 66, right? 56, sorry. Yeah, 56. 14 into 4 plus, this is 56. 76 minus 56 is 20. We can take 6 into 3, 6 into 3, so the remaining will be 2, and what will be k minus 7? That will be 2, yeah. So let me explain. This is n of c into n of b into n of b. This is a into n of a, and this is k minus n of b plus n of a, right? 9 minus 4 plus 3 is 7. Now is this the minimum? This is the minimum because this is 7, right? We have this thing. We'll check for minimum, other things which might be minimum, because if you want to get minimum, what you have to do is just add, multiply with higher numbers, which is 15 and 14. What is 15 into 3? 15 3 is 45. 15 into 3, 45. 76 minus 45 is 11, 31. 31 can be written as 14 into 2, so you will have 28, and the remaining will be 3, right? Is that correct? Yeah, you will have remaining 3, right? 14 into 2 plus what is k minus 3 plus 2? K minus 3 plus 2 is 4. Now what we are getting is 77, which is not possible again, right? That is not possible. So we'll take something else. 15 into 2, that's 30. 76 minus 30 is 46. 46 can be written as 28 42 plus 14 into 3, right? 14 into 3 is 42. 42, right? 28 plus 14 is 38. Yeah, 42. That's 42. And if you subtract 42 from this, you will have remaining 4. And again, k minus this 2 plus 3, which will be 5. Is it 5? K minus 2 plus 3 is 4. Sorry. Yeah, 4. Again, we found a what do you call this thing. This is also an answer because 15 into 2 is 30. 14 into 3 is 42. 30 plus 42 is 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. So this is possibly the answer because this is also the least thing. However, if you go any lower, you won't get anything else. As far as I think, that's correct. Let's see. The minimum number of instructions required for these instances is now we got 5 here. Let me write 5, and here we got 4 plus 3, which is 7. 7 is of course greater than 5, so we'll not take that into consideration, but just to keep that. 76 also equals to 15 plus is there anything else? 14 into 5 is 16. 14 into 4 is 15, 46. 56, right? 56 plus 15. 56 plus 15. This is 71. This is 71, and of course this is into 1. 14 into 1, and this is this is 15 into 1, and this is 14 into 4. Again we got 5, so we'll not consider this, right? And maybe this is not the right answer also. So I think the minimum is 5. The minimum is 5 as far as I think. Equals to 5. We'll write minimum 5 operations. Minimum 5 operations. And we'll also check it because n of a into 15 plus n of b into 14 plus n of c into 6 plus k minus n of a plus n of b plus n of c must be equal to 76. Is that right? Yes, 76. Right? We took n of a as 2. 2 into 15 plus n of b as 3 into 14 plus n of c as 0 plus k. What is k? K is 9 minus n of a plus n of b plus n of c is 5, which is 4. So this is 30 plus 28, 42 plus this is 4, right? 76. So 5 might be the correct answer. So we'll check the answer. 2019, and the minimum number of instructions for this is 5. Is 5 correct? Minimum number of divide instructions to a whole bar is 7. 7. How did we get 7? Let me see. 7. I think our formula is wrong because we have taken 15 instead of 16. Maybe that's the wrong thing. So we'll check with 16, 15 and 7 itself, right? We got the just idea of the problem, so that's not a problem right now, right? A equals to 6, right? A equals to 7, B equals to 15, C equals to 16, and it should be such that n of A into A plus n of B into B plus n of C into C plus A minus 2 times of n of A plus n of B plus n of C is 76, right? Now we have to do manual calculation again like before. So we'll go from the highest number because we have to get the minimum number of operations. That's the requirement, right? Yeah. 16 by 5 is 80. 80 minus 16 is 64, right? We can get 16 into 4, which is 64. If you take 64 from 76, you get 7 as the remainder, right? 7 as the remainder. 7 as the remainder, and you take 7 into 2, get 14, right? Yeah, that's 14. So that will be 70 what? 78, right? 78 plus 9 minus 2 times of 6, that is 12. 2 times of 6 is 12. So this will be 9 minus 12, which will be 9 minus 12 is 3, minus 3, sorry. This will be minus 3. So the ultimate answer is 78 minus 3, which is 75. We are not quite hitting it. If we take 64 plus 7, 64 plus 7, that will be 71 plus 9 minus 10. Yeah, again we are getting negatives, right? Should not hit negatives. Or what we can do is we can multiply with 50, and since we are already getting negative, maybe that's a possible thing, but we'll check. We can keep 16 into 3, which is 48. 76 minus 48 is 8 here, 6, 28. Now we can keep 15 into 2, that will be 30. So this will be again 78 plus 9 minus 10, that will be 77. Again, this is not the correct answer. Not the correct answer. We can take 16 into 2, which is 32. 76 minus 32 is 4 and 44. We need 44. 44 can be achieved by 15 into 2 plus 7 into 2, right? Yeah. This will be 30 and this will be 40. This is 76. Now plus 9 minus 2 times of 6 is, this will be 12 and minus 3, right? So 16 into 2 plus 15 into 2 plus 7 into 2 minus 3, that will be 73. We are not reaching there quite yet. Or what we can do is, yeah, 16 into 2 plus 15 into 3, which is 45. 32 plus 45 is 77, plus 9 minus 2 of 5, which is 10, which is minus 1. So we are getting 32 plus 45 minus 1, which is 76 is the correct answer. Maybe. Where minimum number of operations is 2 plus 3, which is 5. We are getting 5 only, right? 32 plus 45 minus 1. That is correct, right? Yeah, that is correct. But why are we subtracting 2 times of n of a plus n of b plus n of c? Should it be 1? Because as far as I think, if you're subtracting 2 times, we're already removing it, right? Already removing it once. K minus 2 times of n of a plus n of b plus n of c. Why is it 2 times of n of a plus n of b plus n of c? See, K minus n of a plus n of b plus n of c is the remaining number of germs. Why are we again removing the germs which are already dividing? Oh yeah, this is correct only. But the answer is answer is 7, right? How was it 7? 7. Yeah, I think we'll remove this and check, right? However, we'll keep this. We'll review it later. Right? A equals to 7, B equals to 15, C equals to 16. We know the formula, n of A into A plus n of B into B plus n of C into C plus K minus n of A plus n of B plus n of C equals to 76 for time. What we can do is again we have to get the least number, right? So we can do 16 into 16 into what? 16 into 5 is 80. 80 minus 16 is 64, right? So 4 into 16 plus 4 into 16 is 64. 64 plus 2 is 14, right? 7 into 2 equals to 14. 64 plus 14 is 78. However, k will not be that thing, right? If we are getting this sum greater than 76, then k should be less than n of a plus n of b plus n of c for it to occur, right? So this is not a real thing. Right. So we understood that. Right. So we can take 16 into 4, which is 48. 76 minus 48 is 8 and 50. What am I doing? 28. Sorry, is it 28? 28 plus 48. Yep. Yeah, 28 plus we take 30. Again, that won't be feasible. We can take 7 into 3. What is 7 into 3? 21. So we will be still remaining with 7, right? We are still remaining with 7. So we take 7 into 3, 21, right? So we'll have what is this? K is 9 minus 7 equals to what is 48 plus 21. 48 plus 21 is 69. 69 plus 2. 69 plus 2 is of course 71, so that's not the answer. Use 15 into 4, which is 45. 45 and 76 minus 45 is 131, right? And if you take 7 into 4, that will be 28. 28 plus 9 minus 8, which is 1, right? 45 plus 28 is 73. We're getting 74 here. Still that's not right. What if we take 16 into 16 into 3 is 48 plus 15 into 3 is 45. 48 plus 45 is 93. 93 is bigger, but still we are getting this as less than k, right? So that's not feasible. We'll check 16 into 2, that is 32. 76 minus 32 is 44, which is 35, 42. 7 into 6, that possible? 7 into 6 is 42. So this will be 74 plus k, which is 9 minus 8. Again, it's only getting up to 75. We are close, but we are not there yet. So let's take 15 into 2 which is 30 plus we need 46 remaining. We need 46 remaining. We can take 16 into 3, which is 48. 48, right? That will be 5. Yeah. 16 into 3, which is 48, plus 9 minus k is 5, this is 4. So this will be 78 plus 4. Again, this is not correct. We take 50 into 5 plus 7 into 7 into 7. Not getting this. Yeah, I'm not getting this. I think I should leave this. But I tried, so that's what matters. But as far as I think, I am doing something. This is how. So I'll end the video and check the solution myself. Thank you. Oh, it's already been 1 hour.